won.
What?
Guess what?
What is it?
We're going to J. Cresswell store.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
For what?
It's the, it's the super scientist event.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's super cool,
Yeah,
Corey.
I thought so too. Can you come?
Of course. I'll always be there, Corey.
Okay, so here's the info. You listening? Oh, good.
I'm listening.
It's next Monday. You have to sign up. I want to see you. Hey, there's Riley. Riley's coming.
Yay.
Yeah, I think Caden too.
Oh, I think so too.
Yeah, all of the children at J. Cresswell store. They're my friends.
That's super cool.
Yeah, okay, guys, come on, sign up.
Come on out, everybody.
Science night next Monday at 6 p.m. I think that's it. Corey! Oh, I gotta go.
Oh, that's Nana.
Let's go clean up this room.